So I did my method from my last video with mobile finder, but I didn't download too many sources and tried that method and it didn't work, so I tried this one. To let you know, you have to add all your sources again later. So press all the squiggly lines, library, go back, library, then go to installer, modify, file, delete. So delete the installer thing, then go back to installer and it'll load like in 3 seconds because all your sources are gone. But okay, and all your sources will be gone and your installer application will work again. Then if you go back to mobile finder, the installer package or whatever folder will still be there. And please subscribe and recommend my video. Thank you. For my iPod Touch, highlight mask system sounds, I don't think that